Welcome everybody to another edition of Hunk of Junk Car Mods Garage. Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to install our cam. And today I got my granddaughter with me. She is homeschooled due to the COVID-19 and stuff like that. So we thought we'd bring her out here in the garage. And she's going to give me a hand with installing the cam. What we have here is the comp cam. The numbers on it are 35-440-8. This is a 281 lift or duration, 512 lift both ways. What we're going to do, we're going to take her cam out, and we are going to take and expose cam here. Okay, so what we need right now is our keeper pins. You want to hand me that, Tiana, that bag. It's got the keeper pins in it. I said Tiana. And with your cam, you're going to get two pins. One long one and one short. Okay, what they're going to do is they're going to go right in the end here where you have your little nipple that sticks out. You have a short and a long. I'm trying to think which one we're going to need here. I think we are going to need the short one. So we're going to set that right in. Put this on the chair here. I'm going to need the hammer that's in the bucket there with the wooden handle. And what we're going to do is we're going to gently tap that in. Alright, we have that in. Okay, thank you, Tiana. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a tiny chain gear. You can use a new one or an old one. I prefer to use an old one. We're going to take our gear. We're going to set it down on our hole, right? Set it down on our cam. Put the bolt in. This is going to allow us to be able to steady the cam going in. Make sure she's set on there good and hard. Now what we need is our assembly lube. Can you tell me? Okay, yep, there you go. Good girl. Alright. We're going to assembly lube all this here where the bearings go. I need a rag, a little green rag right there. And Johnny, if you would please, get that in that grease it a little bit, just one little bitty corner. I've got some stuff on this here. I'm going to get off of it before we assemble it in there. A bit of gummy stuff, what they ship it in. We'll dry it real good. Alright, looks pretty good. Now what we're going to do is, I don't know if they can see this or not sitting on my lap. You want to switch me spots there, Tiana. We'll sit over there. Okay. We're going to, you have where your cam bearings are going to sit. You're going to want to take and put your gear lube on each one of them. And first off, we're going to take and do the bearings in the inside. Put this over here. We're going to lube out. Lube in here. Again, messy job. Use your fingers. Get that all around in them bearings. Down inside here. Get it backwards here. Alright, we got all them. Now we're going to take and do each one of our globes here. Put some lube on them, just roll it around and get it on there. Kiana, do you want to squirt this on there while I take and turn it? Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to insert the cam. Alright, now this allows me to hold it. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to get the first one in there. Real nice and easy. Try not to mar anything. Be real nice and soft with it. Get it into our second bearing. Third bearing. As we go. Allows me to hold that cam up. Alright. We're coming to our last one. There we go. That's why I can put the gear on there, because I can pry up on it like that. Slide her all the way in. Give her a good turn around. Make sure she's in there right. Alright. Now we got that all in there. We can take our gear off. Drop the nut, of course. Put your thumb in the hole. Don't try to just pull it off, because the cam will be coming right back out with it. Now we take the cam keeper, and on your cam keeper, it says bottom and back. So that would go towards your cam. This here goes to the outside. Now, this here has to line up with that hole there. That little sleeve, there's a little oil sleeve there that comes in. It goes right on like that. Alright, that'll keep the cam for now from coming out. We'll make sure that we get it all tight and everything like that. Alright, what we're going to do is we flip the motor over. You have holes here. You're going to take a little bit of the lube and you're going to drop on them lobes there. You see your cam down below. Also going to put some in this hole here and that hole there. Come here and put some on that. And you're going to come through each one of your lifter ports. Turn this motor a little bit. So drip it right down on top of each one of them. Flip her back and forth, flip her upside down, do all sorts of stuff with it. Come over here and turn your cam. Make sure that it's all lubed up. And what I like to do is give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds here, and then just keep flipping the motor, which will allow that to run around the lobes where your lifters are going to be. You can see it already down in here. You can see there. Bring you right down in there. See how she's rolling around all the lobes. Flip her again. Let it run around. There's no such thing as too much on there. You can never get enough assembly lube on it. And it looks like we're all the way around. Right now we're going to finish up cleaning up our pistons and get ready to assemble them. Well, we've come to the end of another episode here at Hunky Junk Car Mods Garage. Hope we've inspired you to get out and work on a vehicle. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. For you that have subscribed already and our followers, thanks for subscribing and everything. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.